Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super cute office chair that this brand sent to me for the video that I was kind of like surprised to see how comfy this one is just based on the size, because I gave this one to my wife and she kind of like wanted it to be more like cute than like an office chair, because she likes to have her office like super decorated with pinks and whites and cats things and things like that. So she kind of like liked this one, but I was surprised that this one just based on the size supports 300 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot just based on the size right here. I do like the design. Of course, it's a velvet and super comfy chair, like kind of like nice right here on the lower back area because of this calm section over here. But I do want to say it comes in multiple colors, but I do want to say that this is a white chair, so you have to kind of like take care of it. You can just like come from outside and sit right there without checking if you have any stains or if you have anything on your clothes or things like that. Or eating in this chair could be a really bad decision because it's a white chair, so you gotta take that into account. Other than that, this is very comfy. I have to say that it's really firm right here. It comes with a high density foam over here, which you can see that is pretty firm. That's just because it withstands 300 pounds, but it's more cushion right here on the sides. And of course right here you're also gonna find that it's pretty much cushion as well. I do like the design right here on the back, kind of like a shelf, I want to say, or something like that, and it kind of like the same right here with the stitches. But I do want to say again that, oh, and by the way, the assembly process of this chair is not gonna take you more than 15 or 20 minutes with power tools. But you can see that right here, it has no support for the headrest and no support for the shoulders, but it still has a really nice support right here for my back due of the combed area over here, which I think it's a really nice thing. Of course, like every other chair, you can modify the height, nice and easy, but I was really surprised to let me lock it and unlock it to see that this one comes with a rocking feature, which again, I was pretty surprised to see a chair of this size coming with a rocking feature, which I think it's really nice. So again, if you're looking for a decoration chair that's gonna be really nice for like social media on your office or something like that, or content creation as well, this one that supports 300 pounds and it comes with this really nice velvet could be a really good one for you. I like it. She likes it, so I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.